In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Trello with Google Calendar. We're going to connect a Trello board to Google Calendar so your cards with due dates show up as events. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Trello and open the official Trello website. Once you're in, navigate to the board you want to sync. Make sure this board actually uses due dates on cards, because only cards with due dates will appear in your calendar. At the top of your board, look for the View selector or small drop-down arrow. Open that menu and switch to Calendar. This displays your board's cards laid out by date, which is exactly what we need for the sync. Inside the Calendar view, find the option labeled Sync to Personal Calendar. Click it to open the Sync panel. In that panel, click the three dots to access more options, then choose Enable. This turns on the iCalendar feed for your board. Once it's enabled, click Copy to grab the special calendar URL. This is a read-only link that lets Google Calendar subscribe to your Trello due dates without exposing anything sensitive. Now switch over to Google Calendar. In the left sidebar, look for Other Calendars and click the plus sign next to it. From the menu that appears, choose from URL. In the URL field, paste the link you just copied from Trello. Double-check that the link is complete, then click Add Calendar. Google Calendar will subscribe to that feed and create a new calendar in your list. You'll see it appear under Other Calendars, and your Trello cards with due dates will begin to populate on the correct days and times. A couple of quick notes to set expectations. This sync is one-way and read-only, so you'll keep editing cards in Trello. Google Calendar is just displaying them. It can take a few minutes for the first set of events to appear, and updates may not be instantaneous. If you don't see a card in Google Calendar, make sure the card has a due date and that the Trello calendar feed is enabled for the correct board. Cards with a due time will show as timed events. Cards with only a date will appear as all-day entries. That's it. You've successfully connected your Trello board to Google Calendar using the built-in iCalendar feed. Thanks for watching, and enjoy having all your due dates in one place.